like you should. So good, so good. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Spread the love, y'all. Spread the love. All right, here we go, y'all. Y'all know I love it. I love being on the road. I love being on the road. Yeah. Get it gone. Get it gone. Get it gone. Get it gone on the road. Where I'm headed right now to do the farm-sittin. Back on the back roads. Da, 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 da. Wow. This is like, I don't know. I made a wrong turn, y'all, so gotta find it. Gotta find the right turn. Gotta find the right way. Way. Looks like the right way to me. What do y'all think? I like it. I like it. I'll be right back. Y'all see me sweating? Ooh, see me sweating? Phew. I know. I know. This is not the right attire for farming, right? You know? But hey, it's not boots, not jeans. Ain't got my cowboy hat. But you know what? You do what you gotta do with what you got, right? Yeah. At least I'm getting it done. All right, I'll be right back. See, their habitat's over there. They're over here. I gotta get them over there. I gotta lure them. This is to keep that billy goat from knocking me down. Yeah. I need a shower now. Thing looks good. Here we go. All right, y'all. See you on the next one. On the next episode, we'll spend the day with Crystal and the goats, and the chickens and the rabbits, and Galaxy. And here we go again. They're hungry. They think I got their food. Come on, chickie. Come on, chickie, chickie, chickie. Come on. Come on, chickie, chickie, chickie. Look, they're following me. They're following me. They think I have the food already. Galaxy is ready to herd them sheep. She loves what she does. She's good at what she does. All right, let me go get their food. Look, they're following me. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Take a look at these here chickens. Look, they're all expecting me to have something for them. They're hungry. Look at that guy. Wow. Isn't he handsome? Wow. Big Red. Hey, Big Red. Are you hungry, Big Red? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Big Red? What, Galaxy? You want me to get them goats out of there? Well, are the sheep? Well, hang on. Let me go get their food first. Hang on. Look at the other chickens over there. They're getting close to the door, too. They all know. It's feeding time. Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to move your habitat, whatever you call it, over to where we get some better grass. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Move that a little bit so they can get some fresh grass to munch on. Okay, there's that one. Let's see, which way should I move them? Yeah, I think I'm gonna pull them over this way. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna move you. Okay. Oh, good. You're good on water. All right. Okay. Okay. Where you at, Galaxy? Galaxy. Right, Galaxy. Keep these chickens in, girl. Keep them in. Wee, it's dinky over here. All right. Let me just set the camera over here, y'all. Wow, they fighting. Oh. Let me just kind of prop y'all right there as I do that. Tell them, Galaxy. Say, get back. Say, get back. Tell them, girl. Tell them. Look, see, they're following me. Look at there. Got 6 eggs out of here this morning. 6. Wow. And just yesterday, I think there was only 3. Fresh eggs, y'all. Ooh, look at. Okay, let's go down here. Let's see if there's any eggs. No eggs. Don't see any over there on the floor. All right, there's no eggs in that one. They're like, come on already. They're yelling at me over there. You hear them, don't you? Later today, I'm going to give the chickens a clipping. The rabbits, clippings from the apple tree. I'm going to walk over here and see what Miracle wants. Oh, you hear that? Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Look, look, look. Hey, Miracle. I'm coming. Hey, girl. Aren't you beautiful? Aren't you beautiful? Yes, you're just so pretty and soft. You're so soft. Yeah, yeah. What you want? What you want? Don't nibble at my fingers. Don't nibble at my fingers. I already fed you this morning. Hmm? Yeah, what you want? Look, she just pushing her head up in my hand. Oh, and here comes Big Boy. Here comes Big Boy. Hey, I'm not feeding her. Is that what you think? I'm giving her something and not you? Huh? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? I'm giving her something. Giving Miracle something and not you, Big Boy? Huh? Is that what you think? I'm not. Just some loving. I'll give you some loving too. I'll give you some loving. I'll give you some loving. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you some loving, Big Boy. Are you going to say hello? Say hello, Big Boy. Say hello. Say, oh, he stuck his head. I hope you don't get it stuck. Get your head out of there. Back up. Get your head out of there. Don't get it stuck. It, see, you almost got it stuck. Shoot. There's another one over there. And right there. It's so cute. Okay. I'll see you later, Miracle. I'll see you later. She'll follow you around like a little doggy. She wants that nip at my fingers. Yeah, look at that. She's gonna nip. Nippy, 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 nippy. Nippy, nippy, nippy. Huh? Nippy, 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 nippy. Just don't bite it. I'll see y'all later. You wanna play? You wanna play ball? You wanna play? Here, go get it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You got your ball. You wanna play frisbee? You wanna play frisbee? Yeah, 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 yeah. Ready to get it? Ready to get it? Go get it, girl. Woo! Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Let me throw it. You ready? You ready? Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let me throw it for you. Let go. Let me throw it. Let me throw it. She's not gonna let go. Ready? 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 Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.